Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to announce a proclamation.
Please proceed, sir.
And I want to also recognize, prior to my reading this, the members standing behind me represent a swath of the different faiths that make up this House and this great state, from non-denominational Christian to Catholic to Pentecostal Apostolic to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints to Messianic Christian, and of course me as a Jew.
Get on over there, Mr. Majority Leader.
And this is a House recognition of the Jewish people of Donetsk, Ukraine, and the condemnation of the anti-Semitic flyers from last week. Whereas according to the Ukrainian media, armed and masked individuals handed out flyers the evening of April 15th on the first night of Passover on the letterhead of the self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic that instructed people of the Jewish faith to register with the government or face deportation and confiscation of their property. And whereas while questions remain about the flyer's official nature, and the leader of the Donetsk People's Republic, whose name appears in the document's signature, has publicly disavowed the flyer, the instructions clearly recall the Nazi era and have the effect of intimidating the local Jewish people. And these kinds of intimidation trample human rights and the rule of law. And whereas approximately 6 million people of the Jewish faith were systematically exterminated during the Holocaust, and the extermination was preceded by a similar requirement by the Nazi government to register with that government, and whereas the United States of America, from the day of George Washington, has been a defender of freedom and religious inclusion. Therefore, the members of the Arizona House of Representatives hereby stand with the Jewish people of Ukraine against anti-Semitism and all forms of intimidation and intolerance that target any religious group. This dated the 17th day of April, 2014.
Mr. Quasman, thank you, members, for standing up for Israel. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and members.
Appreciate it.